our introduction is divided into three key parts. So first, what is Infraworks? So it's a professional tool developed by Autodesk and widely used in civil and transportation engineering. Infraworks allows us to create 3D simulation of real-world environments. It helps planners to analyze traffic flow, assess environmental impacts, and visualize the infrastructure. It improves the design, decision-making, and communication among stakeholders. Second, why we choose Klang to Kuala Lumpur is as our location. So the federal highway is overburdened by high daily traffic. It connects major residential, industrial, and commercial areas, but it suffers from severe congestion, flash floods, damaged roads, and unsafe motorcycle lanes. So this highlights the urgent need for a smarter and safer alternative route. So next we jump into the objective of our project. So the first one is we're gonna propose a new toll highway to reduce the pressure on the federal highway. Next, we wanna incorporate smart tolling, solar powered lighting, and IT system, and also CCTV. We're gonna design a safe, dedicated motorcycle lane. Then we wanna build a flood resilient road section, especially in flood-prone areas like Klang and Shah. So that we wanna use Infraworks for simulation and planning. So this project gonna also aligns with several sustainable development goals, which is SDG 3, SDG 9, SDG 11, and SDG 13.
The federal highway, the main artery from Bukit Raja in Klang to Kuala Lumpur, is facing 5 critical challenges that affect millions of daily commuters. First, critical traffic congestion. The highway has become notoriously clogged, especially during peak hours. What should be a seamless journey often turns into a frustrating crawl, with long delays and significant loss of productivity for road users every day. Second, flash floods paralyze infrastructure. Each time heavy rains occur, low-lying sections of the highway and surrounding areas like Shah Alam, Kelang and Puchong are inundated. These flash floods cause traffic standstills, inflict damage on public and private properties, and put life at risk. Third, damaged roads pose accident risk. Potholes, uneven surface, and poorly maintained sections have turned the federal highway into a hazardous road, especially for motorcyclists. These conditions are a direct threat to road safety and have led to countless accidents and injuries. Then we have unsafe motorcycle lanes. Many motorcycle lanes are narrow, poorly lit, and structurally damaged. These conditions significantly endanger the life of riders and contribute to Malaysia's high rate of motorcycle-related accidents. This highlights the immediate need for comprehensive upgrades and maintenance to ensure safer travel for motorcyclists. Lastly, the issue of heavy vehicles worsening traffic congestion. Oversized trucks and trailers slow down traffic flow and elevate safety risks on already crowded roads. This problem has escalated to such an extent that the government has enforced a ban on heavy vehicles during peak hours in the Klang Valley, a clear indication of how serious the situation has become.
So next we are moving to the solution for the problem. The first one is implementation of smart toll with dynamic pricing. This is to adjust rates during peak hours. For example, higher charge during busy periods to discourage unnecessary travel, and applying intelligent transportation system for real-time traffic monitoring and adaptive sun control. Number 2 is 24-hour surveillance with flood sensor linked to main server. The surveillance camera use solar energy and water level sensor to detect flood-prone areas, and the data is transmitted to the main server within a 3 to 5 km radius for rapid response. Next is solar street light with road damage detection. This powered by solar energy and equipped with pothole detectors and use LED fit with vibration sensor to detect road damage. Number 4 is dedicated motorcycle lanes with emergency call checkpoints. We will construct wider motorcycle lanes separated by barriers with emergency stop every 500 meters, and we will also install surveillance camera to prevent violation by the public. Number 5 is enforcement of time-based heavy vehicle bans. We will ban lorry and trucks at the peak hour and enforce the restriction by time slots and impose higher tolls for non-compliant vehicles that violate the directive.
Klang is currently ranked 87 in Asia and 422 globally in terms of traffic congestion. The average travel time for a 10-kilometer journey is 13 minutes and 9 seconds, with an overall congestion level of 17%, which is considered moderate. However, this still result in a significant 27-hour loss for driver annually during peak hours, highlighting the real-world impact on congestion on productivity and daily life. Next, I will talk about flood risk area in Klang. Flooding is another major contributor to traffic issues in Klang. According to annual flood report by Department of Irrigation and Drainage, Klang Valley experienced 43 flood incidents in 2015 alone. This incident disrupt traffic, particularly on major highway, worsening congestion and increasing travel risks. Next, I will talk about road damage complaint recorded in Selangor. From 2021 to September 2024, Klang recorded 312 road damage complaints and 17,687 pothole repairs. As Klang is both a major industrial zone and a key port, it experiences heavy traffic vehicle, frequent flash flood, and suffer from inadequate drainage system. This results in rapid road deterioration, leading to a chronic congestion and safety hazard. For the last part about data, I will explain about analysis of Port Klang cargo volume and its impact on traffic. According to 2021 transport statistics, Port Klang handled 235,539 metric tons of cargo, the highest in Malaysia, with most of it in containers. This massive cargo movement involved in a high volume of lorries and trailers, particularly on Federal Highway, Kesas, and Jalan Pelabuhan, further intensifying congestion in Klang.
For the result modeling, the first picture shows the entry of highwayman from the Federal Highway. It's designed for smooth traffic merging with proper elevation and alignment. The second picture shows the toll plaza near Shah Alam. We modeled the lanes and booths to reflect a realistic toll system in Infraworks. The third picture shows the overview of how Highwayman connects to Petaling Jaya with multiple ramps and interchanges for better traffic flow. And finally, the last picture shows where traffic from Subang joins Highwayman. The merging design ensures safe and efficient entry.
So the first thing we're gonna discuss for this discussion is the major challenges along the land. So we can see there is a chronic congestion, especially during peak hours, causing stress, time loss, and low productivity. Heavy vehicles, like especially from Port Klang, worsen the situation, increasing the accident risk and traffic delays. These issues are directly linked into SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities. So the second one is environmental and road safety issue. So you can see the flash floods in Klang, Shah Alam, and Puchong frequently cause road closures and property damage. Poor drainage system and unplanned urban growth make the region more vulnerable. So meanwhile, motorcycle riders face dangerous conditions from potholes and outdated plans. The rising rate of commuting accident is a public health concern. So this problem will relate with SDG 3 good health and well-being and SDG 13 climate action. So the third one is our proposal solution. So we introduced Lebuh Raya Modern Arterial Network, a new smart toll highway that integrates adaptive toll pricing, solar powered lighting with flood sensors, intelligent transport system for real-time traffic control, and wider, safer motorcycle lanes with emergency checkpoints every 5 minutes. So this innovation will ease congestion, improve safety, and build a climate resilient This aligns with SDG 9, Industry and Infrastructure, and also SDG 11 and also SDG 13. So, we have reached the conclusion part. So, in conclusion, Lebuh is a forward-thinking and sustainable highway project designed to tackle the core transportation problem between Kelang and Kuala Lumpur. It directly addresses severe traffic congestion, frequent flash floods, road damage, and unsafe motorcycle lanes by integrating smart technologies, renewable energy, and resilient infrastructure. This project supports Malaysia's progress towards a safer, more connected, and greener future. Most importantly, it aligns with SDG 3, 9, 11, and 13 that ensuring that infrastructure development goes hand in hand with health, innovation, sustainability, and climate responsibility. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.